Waterfall. 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 Noun. Definition: a cascade of water falling from a height, formed when a river or stream flows over a precipice or steep incline. Example: it is mantled with rainforest and there are rivers, lakes and waterfalls. Adjective. Definition: relating to or denoting a method of project management that is characterized by sequential stages and a fixed plan of work. Example: each phase of a waterfall project must be complete prior to moving to the next phase.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.